Since the beginning of His Majesty's reign, the monarch has proven to be an excellent leader who elevates religious education to produce citizens and generations who are not only skilled in religion but also knowledgeable and highly moral to repel negative elements that threaten the country's economy and well-being. Under the wise leadership of His Majesty, the country has successfully implemented a comprehensive religious education from the primary level to higher education, which continues to grow steadily and rapidly.
Di antara perkembangan yang signifikan juga ialah Ketani di negara Darussalam ini telah mampu juga melaksanakan sistem penilaian kendalian Ketani sendiri melalui lembaga peperiksaan pelajaran agama Brunei, khususnya dalam pelaksanaan penawaran sijil sekolah-sekolah rendah agama yang mana ianya sepenuhnya dilaksanakan oleh negara Ketani melalui Kementerian Hawa Agama dan juga lembaga peperiksaan. Ketani pun juga turut melaksanakan mengendalikan sijil pelajaran agama Brunei bagi persekolahan Arab dan juga sijil tinggi pelajaran agama Brunei, yang mana sijil-sijil ini turut diiktiraf juga oleh institusi pengajian tinggi di luar negara.
His Majesty's government has provided proper religious education facilities administered under the collaboration of the Ministry of Religious Affairs and the Ministry of Education. Today, 145 religious schools have been established nationwide. The Compulsory Religious Education Order 2012 that was enforced on the 1st of January 2013 makes it compulsory for Muslim parents or guardians to send their children to religious school. This helps to further strengthen religious understanding in the country. His Majesty's attentiveness in religious education, specifically in educating young children, has been proven through the establishment of the Al-Falah School's new complex in Jalan Kebangsaan. According to the monarch, the school has special features to assist in the development of Islam and produce human capital who are educated not only in worldly knowledge but also that of the hereafter. The existence of 7 Arabic schools, Mahat Islam Brunei and the Sultan Haji Hasna Bolkiah Tahfiz Al-Quran Institute further strengthen religious education and the position of Islam in the country, apart from enhancing the Malay Islamic monarchy concept. The national education system for the 21st century places Islamic religious knowledge as a core subject at the primary, secondary and higher education levels. Among the biggest progress in religious education in the country was the establishment of Sultan Sharif Ali Islamic University, UNISA, in 2007, which is intended as a landmark of Islam's glory, apart from being one of the government's efforts towards further expanding research on Islam and instilling the spiritual aspect in the country's administrative system. The development of religious education is further enhanced by elevating the status of religious education and knowledge. The Sri Begawan Religious Teachers University College, which is elevated from Religious Teachers College, has increased the facilities for qualified students to further their education in religious teaching. These students will be the successors of those at the helm of Islamic religious education in the country.
Saya dapati sistem pendidikan Islam di sini telah berjaya mengintegrasikan dengan konsep tempatan berteraskan kepada konsep MIB. Amat uniklah, mempunyai jati diri tersendiri dan jati diri itu menonjol dengan jelas sehingga membawa kepada kesejahteraan sebenar.
Kualiti pendidikan Islam di negara Brunei Darussalam juga semakin hebat, semakin mantap, semakin maju, semakin meningkat. Ramai di kalangan para graduan yang pada masa ini sudah menjadi ulama hebat. Ada yang menjadi pensyarah, pendakwa, ustaz, pakar ekonomi Islam, sama ada graduan tersebut daripada dalam ataupun luar negara.
Permohonannya makin bertambah dari setahun ke setahun. Malahan bukan sahaja daripada benua Asia, terdapat daripada berbagai-bagai benua. dan terdapat berbagai-bagai bangsa memohon untuk belajar di Brunei.
Despite the global challenges, Islamic education in the country will continue to be secure and develop under His Majesty's wise leadership.
Untuk kehadapan, memang keperluan pembelajaran agama itu kita melihat sebagai satu perkara yang utama yang insya-Allah terus ditanai dengan sebaik-baiknya dan disesuaikan dengan keadaan kita ni masa ni dengan Industrial Revolution 4.0-nya, kemudian untuk melengkapkanlah sekolah-sekolah agama dengan prasarana ICT dan juga guru-guru untuk dilengkapkan dengan kemahiran ICT. Ini merupakan keperluan norma baru untuk negara kita ni, dan perlu juga Kementerian Agama melalui JPI merangka inisiatif-inisiatif yang baru ini untuk memastikan pembelajaran agama akan dapat dilaksanakan dalam apa juga keadaan yang kita ni hadapi.
More than 5 decades as the country's sovereign ruler and leader, His Majesty has succeeded in making the country and people practice Islamic values in daily life. Religious education will always be elevated and glorified, and the secure and harmonious way of Muslim life will continue to be protected based on Islamic morals.